Let's get started. The first step is to cut the ingredients. You'll need a cutting board, a kitchen knife, and a meat tenderizer. First, peel the onion. Thinly slice the peeled onion. Coat the octopus tentacles with a small amount of sea salt and then use a meat tenderizer to pound them until tender. That's it for preparations. Now it's time to boil the octopus. You'll need a saucepan and a dish. Bring plenty of water to a boil in the saucepan. Put the onion and bay leaves in the water. Bring the water to a boil again. Add the octopus tentacles and salt, adding just over 1 teaspoon of coarse sea salt for every cup of water in the saucepan. Add the olive oil to the water and boil the octopus tentacles for around 30 minutes over low heat. Check them by piercing a thick part with a skewer. If it passes through easily, they're ready. Transfer the octopus tentacles to the dish using tongs. Allow them to cool. Leave the onions in the water while the octopus cools. Once the octopus has cooled, cut it into 1/4 inch slices. Arrange the octopus on a plate and sprinkle with the paprika. Drizzle on some extra virgin olive oil. It's ready to eat. Nice work!